The first method that I would like to talk about is the simplest one. It's called all-node patching. When you use that method to patch your cluster, then all the instances are brought down at the same time. You can then patch the instances and bring them back online. Because you bring down all the instances at the same time, it means that you have a database outage. And the outage lasts as long as it takes to patch all the instances. You can use this method for all kinds of patches, even those patches that are non-rolling. Another method is what we call minimum downtime. In this concept, you divide all the nodes in your cluster in two groups. Then first you take down the first group and apply patches to those instances. Then you take down the second group. So now all your instances are down, you have a database outage. But at the same time, you restart the first group of instances. So as soon as those instances in the first group is up, then you can connect to the database as well. But in this method, there is an outage while we stop one GI stack and restart the next one. Next method is rolling patches. When you do that, each instance is taken down for maintenance to apply a patch, and then it's brought back online. Then we take the next instance, until all the instances has been patched in a rolling manner. Because all the time there's an instance available, it means that the database is online and available for the entire duration. There is no database outage. Like with the previous method, when you take down instances for maintenance, the other instances in your cluster must be able to handle the workload. So again, a cluster that is running at almost peak capacity, it can really hurt if you take out instances. A variation of rolling is rolling in groups. Instead of taking each node individually down for maintenance, you divide your nodes into groups, and then you take out one group and do a rolling patches, and then you proceed to the second group and do rolling patches. This method is useful if draining is a problem to you. But again, here you're taking out a group of instances from your cluster, so the other group must be able to handle that workload.